welcome to this edition of the Moss HR Minute, where we help business owners build and care for great teams, one Moss Minute at a time. I'm Nicole Moss. I'm the co-founder of Moss Consulting HR Services. At Moss Consulting, we act as the outsourced HR department for growing businesses. That includes fractional HR, payroll, benefits, recruiting, compliance, and everything else under the HR umbrella, giving owners an entire experienced HR team that they can lean on and only pay for what they need. I am here today again with Evie, one of our summer interns on the marketing side, co-hosting. Evie, will you take it away with intros?
Love it. We've got another one of our own in the chair today, Avery.
Yes, we do. And we are joined by Avery, another one of our summer interns, who is studying human resources.
Yes, ma'am.
Love it. And exploring a future in HR, which is why she's interning with us. So we love giving people early in their HR careers a real seat at the table. Avery, welcome.
Thank you. I'm really excited to be here.
Excellent. So here's how the Moss HR Minute works. We're going to ask you 5 hard-hitting questions that I guess people are thinking about today, and then you're going to answer in 1 Moss Minute. Okay. No pressure. Yeah, pressure's on. All the pressure. You can't do bad. It's going to be excellent. So what first made you interested in working with people and culture inside a business?
Yeah. So I've always just loved getting to know people, getting to know their stories, and in the business world, that's what it's all about, is a bunch of different people from different backgrounds and areas of life working together and working simultaneously. Yeah. And so I've always been really interested in that. That's what I'd say.
Excellent.
Nice. You're seeing HR from the consulting side at Moss. How is that different from how you imagined HR working?
Yes, it's very different. I actually have experience in a typical internal HR situation, and it is very different, but I love it because it's different every single day. Your tasks are different and you're learning so much consistently.
Yeah, it's like being in a pressure cooker. Like you really learn a lot on the consulting side because you're dealing with so many clients at the same time, and you're having to like shift. And I think it's really fun. I think honestly, like HR can be a little boring. I like as an HR person, I can say that. Yeah, but like switching from client to client is really cool, and you get to see like so many different businesses and so many different people. I just think it's awesome. What's your experience at Moss Consulting been like, and what is it like to work with our team?
Oh my gosh, it's been amazing. We literally, the first day, Nicole came down and we just had the best time. We had the best 2 days just getting to know everyone. We actually got to meet a client and kind of see how everything worked with their relationship, which is really special. And I'm just happy to be a part of that.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's been so fun.
What emerging trends in HR and media are you seeing that you think will shape the HR landscape?
Yeah, so right now the trends are going rampant, and I feel like HR internally is honestly kind of moving out, and more consulting type of HR is becoming more popular. So what a great place to be interning here.
Nailed it.
Yeah, so I'm just excited to get really familiar with it because I feel like in the next couple of years, it will be a very prominent thing.
Yeah, it's happening really fast, faster than we thought. So I'm going to ask you the question that I would advise most recruiters and HR people to not ask their candidates, but like, where do you hope to be in your career in 5 years, Avery?
Yeah, I hope to just enter into a entrance level HR position and hopefully work my way up and just see how that goes, get to meet as many people, learn as much as I can, and see where that takes me.
I love it.
Yeah, HR is really fun. Everyone that works for us in Moss Consulting is HR, either if you're recruiters or HR people, is like, I firmly believe that HR, like human resources, deserves a seat at the leadership table. Absolutely. We are managing, I hate this term, but it's called human capital. And we're managing the human capital. We're managing the strategy with them. We're managing their benefits it's called their rewards program, which is like medical, dental, vision. Like it's like things that really impact people as a whole human, and that like work gives them, it's like the avenue to so many things. And so I don't know, everyone on this team deserves a seat at the leadership table, and it takes a while to get there. You got to spin around the sun a few times, have some tough conversations, go through some weird combos with some employees. But I think the cool thing about HR is that the only way to learn it, you can learn in theory at school and all of those things, but the only way to really learn it is to like be in the room and do it in real life, and it's like, it's never comfortable, but that's good. I think it's like just constant growth. So I'm very excited to see where you are in 5 years too. Hopefully you're still on the Moss team and you would just certainly be welcome. Excellent. Well, if anyone is interested in chatting with you, Avery, where could they find you?
Yeah, super simple. Just go to the website and follow the link and book 15 minutes with us and we can chat.
Awesome. And if you're a business owner who is looking for support in HR, please feel free to, like Avery said, book 15 minutes with us. We'd be happy to chat and we look forward to seeing you on the next Moss Minute.
Bye.
Bye.
It's fast, it's fun, it's the